Again, a beautiful day today. It's Sunday. It's like, hold on, exactly 10 a.m. here in Belgium. And up again, I'm at a local forest where I will take you on a photo walk again today with the Nikon Z50 II. Damn good camera. Don't let the price fool you. And the NIKKOR DX 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens. Beautiful sun, beautiful lighting, beautiful setting, beautiful. Okay, I will put you right here. This is the small rig handle cold shoe mounting system, and the small rig smartphone adapter. You can bend it in all positions. You can turn it however you like, but be gentle. So I'll put you in this smartphone mount, and yeah, let's go for it. Hi, my name is Peter from Life in Pixels. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you're already visited my channel. I do POV style videos about the Nikon Z50 II and all these accessories, the lenses. I'm keeping it real, raw and simple. There you go. Now you are mounted on my smartphone adapter on the small rig. I forgot to charge the battery of my Nikon Z50 II after my last video. So I got it hooked on to a power bank at the moment. So my last video was about the low light capabilities of the NIKKOR Z50 to 250 millimeters. That video was, in my opinion, pretty crappy because it was very dark, so the video quality wasn't even that good. But it's getting views. All right, like this. The sun is on my left, and I will take a picture of those trees. So I'm in aperture priority. There. I will show the pictures on screen as I take them, so they are not edited at all. I will show those at the end of this video, and you will see them edited through Lightroom. That's the software I use to do those editings. Let's see. Should be good. There, a lot of people running here in the woods. It's ideal for that as well. But I just stick to taking photographs for you guys. You can hear some music in the background because Carnival is coming next week on Sunday. For 3 days it's Carnival. This is what I'm talking about. So you can see the light coming in there through the trees. Light is a playing field. There. Let's continue. A quick disclaimer though. All the things I talk about in this video, the Z50 II, the handle, the smartphone adapter, the tripods, I bought by myself. You can find the link in the description below. So you could help me a lot by buying through those links with no additional cost to you. And I'm not sponsored whatsoever, but I'm thinking about buying the Viltrox 35 millimeters, which is the equivalent of 50, more or less 50 millimeters on a full frame camera, because I'm thinking about going into street photography. I took some street photography pictures on my last video. I will put a card on the top right corner there. Yeah, let's continue. People taking walks. Oh, that's nice. I'll zoom in a little bit. There. That should be a good one. They were right in the light over there, I think. Let's see. Yeah, they were. Ooh, that was a nice one. And I'm still, I don't know, I'm using DaVinci Resolve to edit the videos, and I'm learning about that as well. Let's work a little bit with reflections. I'm at f6.3, shutter speed 1/125, and ISO is 320. There. As I was saying, I'm learning about DaVinci Resolve as well, so these videos are, I don't know, edited really quickly. I should get more into depth about the program itself. I heard they use it in, especially for color grading, they use it for editing their movies. They color grade it through DaVinci Resolve, so it's pretty much a professional software program. I like to keep it raw. I just like to show you how it is, the basis of all things, the raw essential stuff. Keeping it real, you know. Talking about cameras behind the desk is easy. You have to go out, show people what the camera is about, how the lens is performing. Not just talking about it and showing photographs on screen while you're talking, or overly edited. No, keep it real, simple. Less is more, you know. I'm walking into the sunlight. Never take pictures into the sun. Keep the sunlight on your left or right, or at the rear of you. That should be nice. And I want to say a quick thank you to my 44 subscribers on my channel. Thank you for sticking around. Still hoping my channel will grow even more. I will show you what it is like to shoot straight into the sun. Maybe this is nice. There. I will put some dehaze on that to create some kind of mist. Mist is mystery. Now tell me, did I convince you already to buy the Nikon Z50 II or not? What more can I tell you about it? I've been using this camera for more than a year now, and I can't imagine a life without it. It's a really great camera for doing YouTube videos as well, but unfortunately there is no IBIS, so image stabilization in the camera. So you're pretty much relying on the VR of the lens. So buy a VR lens if you want stable or more stable images. And that's pretty much a shame. The battery life is not that good as well, as I'm charging it now on the go. So I might just switch over to video and show you side by side the Samsung S24 and the Z50 II as I'm walking. Hold on, I will put it on auto. What am I shooting at? Yeah, 30p. Let's go. I will press record now. You can see it's really jittery. As I'm walking, it's not that bumpy, but as I move, I don't know, it feels like it's jittery. So there, maybe here. I've been here before, my previous video. The leading line lane. That's what I call it, the leading line lane. So these are the leading lines, the trees, as you can see. And there's a gate in the back. I zoom at 16 millimeters. So completely zoomed out. I focus on the back. I'll dial down the aperture to 3.5. And there. Another tip I want to give you is try and use the back button focus. So that's the AEL, AFL button on the back. That's what I use to focus. There. Pretty little castle in the back. Now it's time to take a picture of the pond. That pond, I mean. There, got her. Let's see. Let's take a picture of the guy sitting on the bench. There. I will recompose, so I'll focus on his head and then just shift and take the shot. So the focus should be on him. I hope so. The box was on his head, so I will put the focus on that one over there. The bush or tree or whatever. Set 35 millimeters. Let's make it 16 millimeters. So I got the whole pond. Same focus point. There. So I've been on YouTube for a while. Before this, the niche I chose was photography, but before that I was talking about how to start a YouTube channel. I did that for 8 months. So the do's and don'ts for making a YouTube video. But I thought by myself, this is not really my thing. And I started thinking, what do you like? So I like gaming. I'm 47, but I still game. PlayStation and photography. I bought this camera with the idea of making holiday photographs and social gatherings and whatnot. And then I thought by myself, why not take a walk and go to the woods and do some nature photography? And then I said, maybe there are people who are interested in these types of videos. And I started looking on YouTube to colleagues of mine who do the same thing, have the same niche. But they are really talking at their desk about photography. I'm going in the field, I'm showing you how it is. The raw things. I mentioned it before, but I like to see the real thing. I will show you the edited ones at the end of this video. And yeah, I got into photography and my channel is growing. Got 44 subscribers. I'm not posting that much, like once a month, but this time I'm posting 2 times a month. See how that goes. And like I said, I'm trying to get it into street photography. That is like a sub niche of photography. So photography is the mother of all things, but you can do nature photography, wildlife, street photography, model photography, so portrait photography. And I started looking at YouTube videos about street photography, which is really a self-psychological game. You have to get over the fact that you might be confronted by people who do not want their photo taken. Oh, this one looks nice. Hold on. Take a picture of the corner of the bench right there at 3.5. Let's see. Chaga. There you go. So getting into street photography will be my future sub niche. There you go. You made it. And I made it as well. I hope you enjoyed this photo walk again in nature. And if you like to see my POV style video about the Nikon Z50 to 250, you can watch it right here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.